Hey guys, Tion here, back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about a feature called screen time. This video is mainly targeted as parents. Screen time is a feature that allows you to limit the amount of applications that a person can use at a particular time. You can also put locks on it so that way, if your kid tries to disable it, they will not be able to until you go and disable it, or the iPad will do it itself, or any device that you have on iOS 12. To reiterate, the devices that are going to be supporting iOS 12 are the iPad Air and newer, the iPhone 5S and newer, the iPad Mini 2 and newer, the iPod Touch 6th generation, and that's it. There is no other iOS device. Inside of settings, you're going to go ahead and find this feature called screen time. Inside of the setting at the top, it will tell you all your devices signed into your iCloud account. If you have a family sharing account set up, then you'll see those devices signed in, but right now I only have one device signed into my iCloud account. As you guys can see, it is telling me how long have I been using my device for. If I wanted to clear the history, I'd have to type in a password, which I already have set up with my iOS device. Below that is downtime. Downtime basically will alert you when it is time to get away from your screen if you had it set up. If I were to go ahead and click on this right now and turn the feature on, I'd be able to set a time where I want downtime to be enabled and downtime to be disabled. That is when all your applications that you have set up with downtime will automatically lock themselves or alert you when it is time to put your device down. Next is always allowed. Always allowed allows you to use applications that will be allowed during downtime. By default, the only applications that you're going to be able to use are messages, phone, and FaceTime, just in case of an emergency while downtime is enabled. At the bottom will be a list of applications that you can allow during downtime, like App Store and etc. The next setting here is called content and privacy, which allows you to block inappropriate content on your iOS device. For example, sexual content. Next is use screen time passcode, which allows you to set a passcode on your device when downtime is enabled. So if your kid tries to go ahead and disable it, they won't be able to without the passcode. They also won't even be able to clear their history if they were looking at something that they really wasn't supposed to. Next is disable screen time, which allows you to disable all of these features. Next is use screen time for family, which allows you to get weekly reports about your family's device history, which is kind of creepy. And the last feature is clear usage data, which will allow you to clear all the history if you're a kid. But here's something really bad for you. If you try to clear the usage data and your parent has a passcode set up, good luck. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'll check you guys out in the next one. I've been Tion Official. Take care.